Have you ever seen the sky transform into a moving canvas of lights, shapes, and even stories without a single firework? Well, welcome to the future of celebrations. Let's talk about drone shows and why they're taking over our skies. For decades, fireworks have been the centerpiece of celebrations, from New Year's Eve to national holidays. But times are changing. Cities worldwide are swapping out the smoke and noise of fireworks for something more innovative, safer, and greener: drone light shows. Drone shows involve hundreds, sometimes thousands of small drones flying in perfect coordination. Each drone acts like a pixel in the sky, creating 3D images, animations, and patterns, all programmed in advance using cutting-edge software. It's a breathtaking mix of art and technology. So, why are drones stealing the spotlight from fireworks? Environmental concerns. Fireworks release harmful chemicals and create tons of air pollution in just minutes. Drones, on the other hand, are electric and emit zero pollutants, making them an eco-friendly alternative. Safety. Every year, fireworks cause thousands of injuries and even fires. Drones? They're controlled by a single pilot or team using pre-programmed software, drastically reducing risks. Noise reduction. Let's not forget the noise. Fireworks can be terrifying for pets, wildlife, and even some people. Drone shows? Practically silent, so everyone can enjoy them. Take China, for example. During the Lunar New Year celebrations in 2024, more than 2,000 drones lit up the night sky in the shape of a Chinese dragon. The display was mesmerizing and completely free of pollution. And in Dubai, the New Year's Eve celebrations included 500 drones that worked seamlessly with light projections on the iconic Burj Khalifa. It was a stunning blend of tradition and innovation. What makes drone shows truly special is their versatility. You can program them to create anything: logos for advertising, personalized messages, or even animations. The sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning. While fireworks will always have a nostalgic charm, drone shows are paving the way for a new era of celebrations, one that's safer, greener, and more creative. Imagine your next big event lit up by a custom drone display, tailored just for you. So, what do you think? Are you ready to embrace this dazzling new way to celebrate? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video if you're as amazed by drone shows as we are. If you're looking for thoughtfully selected products, check out our Amazon store. The link is in the description below. See you next video.